Alright, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be directing you in how to set up TLS Tunnel configuration files, how to create your own file and stop using other people's files, and maybe they are not even working, but in this tutorial I've just come to rescue some of you that were using people's files. If you can also create your own file, this is how you're going to do this. It is TLS VPN application, and I'm going to be directing you guys in how to set it up irrespective of the country you are in. So don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share this video with your friend. Let me start up today's tutorial, and if you get any problem, just rush to the comment section. I'll be available to take you through that process. You're going to do this. You're going to come. So guys, let us head over to Google Play Store and download. We're going to be downloading 3 tools, specifically 3 tools that will be helping you to create your own TLS Tunnel configuration application. These are the tools. The first tool you're going to download is you're going to download TLS Tunnel VPN application, that one. And then after downloading that application, make sure to install it in your VPN, in your mobile device or Android device, specifically Android, because iPhone, I don't think that we can set this application in iPhone. But let us continue with the Android users. And then after, you're going to download another tool called CoffNet. And I'm going to be directing you in today's tutorial on how to use these tools so that you can be creating a super fast, a stable, and a free, a secure configuration file for TLS. And this application, after installing this application on your mobile device, make sure to enable it. And then the third step, you're going to come to YouTube. Make sure to log in with your account in YouTube. And after logging in with your account, you're going to do this. You're going to come, let me use that account, and then you're going to come right here and search mouse tech. After searching mouse tech, you're going to search mouse tech and come where we have this one. Don't leave any space, just search mouse tech without any space, and then come where we have subscribe and then subscribe. That is the third tool. Then you're going to come and to the application you have downloaded previously, which is the TLS Tunnel, that application, and then open it. This is how you're going to do this. Make sure to comply with the local laws. Make sure to read your internet service provider's terms and conditions, and make sure to follow up with the local laws. Make sure to read acts. For example, we have the 2011 Computer Misuse Act. Make sure to read it before continuing to this tutorial. So you're going to agree with that after reading all these, because this is important to read. And then after, make sure to put to tick that one, and then you're going to do this. You're going to come where we have this pencil-like button, this one, and then we're going to come where we have the default mode down here, the default mode, and then we're going to choose the custom mode. Choosing the custom mode is important, and then choose the use SNI host. And then after choosing that, you're going to come and then put in an SNI host of your country. This is how you're going to be getting that host. Hope all of you, 90% of viewers of this tutorial don't have the SNI host. If you don't have that SNI host, go to the comment section, comment your country and the network, or just come right here to Google Play Store and choose the application called CoffNet. Have CoffNet application, open that application, and then after opening that application, go where we have the SNI generator, and then search your country. For example, in today's tutorial I'll use an example of Uganda as a country, and then that is an advert, so that this service is kept free. We shall wait for a few seconds for this advert, because if these adverts were not there, this service would be paid for. Then we're going to choose, let me choose the zoom.us for Airtel Uganda, and then you are free to search your country, and then they will be providing with the SNI. Let us go back to the application, the TLS, and then just paste that SNI, and then go where we have, hope you are following up with the directions, go where we have that save like button, and then save. This is how we're going to create the file. It is the process of creating a file now. So we're going to come where we have, we're going to come right here, and then we're going to set up some things. We're going to be setting up something. Hope you understand and I'm communicating. I'm going to choose the darker mode, the darker theme, so that we can protect our eyes from the intense light, because we're going to be using this application for the rest of our lives. So now we're going to come back home. Let me show you another thing you're going to be setting up. Maybe they're only doing things. Then you going to come and press this house like button, the home button, and then you're going to come right here, and then put that one. Then we're going to come here, we're going to be checking up with the logs, that is our IP address, and here we're going to be checking up the abouts right there. We're going to choose the port, choose T443 and apply. The server will be automatic, and that is how we set it up, the TLS application. Now by doing this, we're going to be creating a file. We're going to come right here to create our VPN configuration file, and then go where we have export, and then allow, make sure to allow, and then after allowing, put in your file name. In this case we're going to be using Marustech, and then make sure not to do this, because if you tick this, you will be exporting also your SNI, and if it is saturating, it may be blocked. And now just go where we have share a file, and then it will be saved in your internal storage. And then to import it, you're going to come right here where we have this to import our configuration file, and then you're going to come right here, and then you're going to choose TLS. We're going to look for a folder called TLS right here, and then choose this one, that is our configuration file. That is an advert. Let us wait for a few moments. Adverts ensure that these applications, or the use of this application, is kept for free. So let us wait for a few moments and then skip the video, and then wait for a few seconds for this advert. Press continue and the X, and then after, let us go and then import TLS Marustech. Successfully our file has been imported. Now if you want to share it with your friend on WhatsApp, you can open your WhatsApp, and then you can open groups, and then you can be opening some right here, and then you can share it. Document, choose document. Let me show you step by step. Let us go right here where you have documents. You have documents right here, and then you're going to come browse a document, and then you're going to come where we have those three dots. You have these three dots right here, and then make sure to choose the option that is show internal storage, and then after you're going to come right here, and then you're going to come right here where we have your internal storage, and then you're going to look for a folder called TLS Tunnel, this one, and then you'll be selecting that file so that you can be sharing it with your friends and send in your friends in a group or others. So don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share this video with your friend. I sign out.